Do you want to know how you can change your username in Temu? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your username in Temu. Go ahead and open temu.com on your Chrome or Edge browser if you are using your PC. Log in to your account. After that, hover around your profile and then click your profile. You can see that your profile opens up. Go ahead and click on this edit option, which is here. It's a small one, so go ahead and click it. And you can see that your name can be changed. So you can write whatever name you want to choose. And then you can also write your bio and gender and click save. This way you can see that your name will be changed. You can see on the profile as well, your name has been changed. So to change your name again, go to your profile, click on this option over here, which is called edit, and remove your previous name. Write down the name of your desire or want and then click save. This way you can change your username or name on Temu. If you have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.